This really isn't all that impressive, but I'm just like really excited about it. So if you wouldn't mind humoring me, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today's the day, boys, the reincarnation of the Purple Army. But check this out, we got some new merch, link in the description below. Now the Bugatti is done, and that's very, very exciting, but it's not as exciting as this beautiful, glorious, industrial filing cabinet. We're officially adults, boys. We own a filing cabinet. So I have organized all of my cars into different binders. Aventador right here. We have all the service records since I bought the car. These binders are way too big. Like, come on, come on, come on. They're too big for the filing cabinet. They don't look that pretty, but it's a step in the right direction, okay? I'm kind of sort of embarrassed now. Now, yes, I know you guys want to hear more about my office organization theory, but we got a bunch to do today. We got to hop in the 430 challenge. We're off to make some models, and then the Bugatti, the Bugatti. The red paint just looks so properly good on the 430 challenge. I still kind of sort of miss the mermaid, and I'm thinking we bring the mermaid back on that car, maybe? I also realized I forgot my headphones, so, yeah. I also forgot to open the garage door! This might be my This might be my final drive in the 430 challenge. I don't know how to really say this. I think I broke the potentiometer again. The car, like, it won't go above 5,000 RPMs. Whoops, the car's stuck at 6,000. No, I broke it again. I want to flex on the Tesla, but my car is broken. And we survived yet again. White Lamborghini Urus though, looking good. The 430 challenge is for sale, and tomorrow there's a guy who wants to test drive the car, and I broke the car. So, yeah, I can't say I'm surprised. There's a chance this is the last time we ever see the 430 challenge. I'm pretty sure that the potentiometer needs to be replaced. Same symptoms as last time, so the guy's probably not gonna buy the car, but he might. So we gotta grab an Uber, we're gonna race to Park City and grab the Bugatti. Clayton sent me some photos, boys. It looks ridiculous. And on cue here on time every single time. And just like that, welcome here to Park City, Utah. It is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to see this car. I just spent the last 5 minutes walking around the car with Clayton, and I'm snaking you guys. It looks amazing. I think this is the best car we have ever had purple in the entire history of the channel. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of sneak peek. That's it. We're gonna pull the car outside. You're gonna see it in like 5 seconds. Clayton, dude, thank you so much. Guys, go subscribe to Clayton's channel and Faith's channel. It's the same channel. Thank you guys so much. It looks so sick.
It turned out so
I just kind of sort of turned the camera. You saw a little sneak peek. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be like a second. It's like super, super bright out, but on the 16th of November, 2020, the reincarnation of the Purple Army. It looks so crazy. It looks like a toy car. What? Clayton and Faith, like this is the best job they have ever done. Check it out. It looks so cool. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yo, the matte ice amethyst titanium from KPMF paired with the white vinyl from KPMF, the white wheels. The car looks so crazy. There are so many amazing details. We got the white pinstripe right there. Check it out, boys, the white horseshoe. Oh my goodness, I feel like a 9-year-old kid. Oh, it's a good day. The Purple Army's back, boys. I went back and forth on so many different renders, but this one always stood above the rest. The white bottom with the purple top, and check this out. We got the door jambs right there looking so prime. We kept the gas cap the same, the intake's the same, the door handle's the same. I think they're such like iconic Bugatti items that it just made sense. But then check out here on the underside of the wing, you can see my logo embossed right there. That means when we fly by a car like 200 miles an hour, we hit the brakes, it's gonna go straight up, and we're gonna remind people that I beat them. Now, if I lose to them, they don't need to know. Clayton is absolutely crazy. We're gonna pop it there into sport mode, and we go bye-bye. This purple is just glistening here in this Utah sun. I love the chrome look on this KPMF, and just that Strat emboss there on the wing is so cool. But look at it when the sun hits the vinyl from this side. Are you kidding me? Like guys, like actually, are you kidding me? That is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And that's probably more beautiful. We've hopped in the Range Rover. Oh my goodness, look at that thing, what? The car just looks so crazy on the road. Look at that purple. That purple's just glistening. And again, go, 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 go. I love it so much, guys. I am so annoying. I can't get over it. It's truly mesmerizing to look at. Let's go, let's go. Get it, Clayton. That's 4 turbos, boys. 4 more than the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. I know I shouldn't have done you guys like that, but it's true. That purple just has like a shimmer in it. It is so beautiful. Purple just has this look to it. Like that chrome satin look is just so good. Clayton, thank you so much.
No, thank you. Look at it.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, I got like 4 more cars for you to wrap, so just call me. Yeah. Sorry. Another massive shout out to Clayton and Faith at Summit Auto Lab. If you guys need a car wrapped, I would recommend them, but I got like 5 other cars that need to be wrapped, and I'm in line first. So yeah. Anyways, we are headed home. Quick dump to sport mode and go. I'm not gonna say that the purple added horsepower, but if the car feels fast, oh my gosh, it feels fast. It brakes. No cops, we're good. Hello, don't mind me. We're just chilling in the slow lane, getting past, you see? We're getting past, I'm not hitting the brakes, you see? Like I said, go after the CRV. How cool is that? Wow, this dude has his own semi to carry his car. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, but it's beautiful. The reactions from people are crazy. That Nissan Juke, the lady, she looked over the car and I could read her lips and she was like, what is that? But she said it with like a scowl and like disappointment. I've disappointed people my entire life, so kind of sort of standard. But anyways, it's been about 9 hours. I had a bunch of meetings on merchandise. We got some really cool videos headed your guys' way, but I'm looking, oh my gosh. Whoa. Wow, I just saved you guys. That was so crazy. So I had you guys on the tailgate and somehow the tailgate fell and I caught you guys. You almost died, but you lived. I'm inspired, you should be inspired. I don't know what I was saying, but the more I look at this purple Bugatti, are you kidding me? It looks so good. It looks so good. It's always my go-to. It really does. It looks amazing. I also want to point out, how cool does the Raptor look next to the Bugatti? Because we have the satin white with the satin purple, with the satin purple and the satin white. That is a killer combo. I know a lot of you guys are still asking this question. Why do we have to keep wrapping cars purple? We've done it like 6 times. You're sick and tired of it. I just really like the colors. So I can promise you this though. This is like a big time promise. So the Veyron is purple, but the Roadster and the Coupe, neither car will be purple. I promise you. I know with the Supra, we wrapped it red, then we unwrapped it, we wrapped it purple. That's not gonna happen either. I wanna come up with some cool colors for the Aventadors that are complementary to purple, but not purple. So for example, what if the Coupe was red and the Roadster, there's just an idea. What if the Roadster was pink? So we had pink, red, purple. Or what if we did a blue Roadster with a red Coupe, so we had blue, red, purple? Some trio that would look amazing. If you guys have any good ideas, let me know in the comments below. We're gonna be wrapping the Coupe very soon. Obviously the wide body kit, we're waiting for that. We can't do anything until that arrives, but we're not doing pink. That was just like an idea, it's just like a suggestion. It'd be cool, but we're not gonna do it. I don't think. Well, I mean, we might. Never say never. Now, speaking of the Aventadors, we have an issue with one of the cars. Also, another issue, I have no way to distinguish the keys, but one of the Aventadors has an issue. Which is your guess in the comments below? Yep, you guessed it. The Roadster has an issue. We're gonna attempt to start up the Roadster, and if my calculations are correct, which generally speaking they're not, but I'm assuming they are right now, the problem is that we have a gearbox malfunction, but then we also have a dead battery. Like, it's not a dead battery. The battery, like you can see, like there's the battery light. We're gonna try pushing it again. Low battery charge. So, yeah, the Roadster's dead. Now, unfortunately, you need like a battery charger. You're really not supposed to jumpstart Aventadors. Yes, I know I've done it in the past, but you're not supposed to. So I need to buy a battery charger to get this car up and running. The gearbox malfunction, I'm hoping that's a part of the battery. The car does have a salvage title. and I'm kind of sort of starting to get nervous about that. I don't know if it's related, but when you buy a car that's been in an accident, you just kind of always sort of assume like, well, it's probably because it's a salvage. Maybe, I don't know. This just has to be appreciated right here. Texas Roadhouse next to the Bugatti. Coming to a vlog, we're taking the Bugatti to Roadhouse. I want to end today's video on a house update, and unfortunately it's not maybe the best update ever. So I own the piece of land, the design is done, I'm super excited to start the build. We're in the bid process, so I've reached out to a bunch of general contractors to bid the build, and then obviously I need to get financing after I get the bids. Now I've talked to a bunch of these general contractors. Because of the pandemic, the whole supply chain is just a mess, like an absolute mess. This time last year, the price of timber was a third of what it is today. And like windows, if you order windows for your house, they're like 10 weeks out. And so my builders are telling me that best case scenario, if we started construction today, it would be 18 months before it'd be done. Best case scenario, realistically 2 years, 2.5 years. So now I don't know what to do. Do I continue with the home build? Do I just go buy a house? I don't know what to do. Like, I really want the dream house, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. Anyways, guys, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like this one, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.